my name is Maddie. I'm on the social team here at FabFitFun, and today I'm giving you a deep dive look at your customization options for select members for your fall box. If you're not already select, make sure you upgrade right here, right now, because there are some pretty amazing options that you're gonna wanna choose. Before I dive in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any videos or spoilers or reveals that we do. All right, so our first item is the Eparé Dual Salt and Pepper Mill. It has two sides, which makes it dual, one for your salt and one for your pepper. It's made with stainless steel, so it's gonna look perfect in your kitchen. And if your kitchen is small, this thing is mighty. It'll look great. So yours will come empty and you can choose any seasoning you want. Right now we put pink Himalayan salt and blackened pepper, so do what your heart desires. This salt and pepper mill is really easy to use. All you have to do is take off the little cap, turn it around, have a Salt Bae moment. Salt Bae! So as I mentioned, this is made with stainless steel and ceramic, and it's really, really nice, easy to clean. If you want to change up your spices once in a while, maybe from fall to winter, just pop it off, dump it out, and replace. Now that we've spiced up our food and kitchen, let's go ahead and spice up our beauty routine with the trèStiQue Mini Eye Essential set of 4. So this set comes with a mini eye pencil, eyebrow pencil, and 2 cream shades that are perfect neutral colors for your routine. So the first item is the mini brow pencil, trèStiQue, eyebrows on fleek, it all rhymes, it's all gonna be great in your routine. The great thing about this brow pencil is that it's triangular shaped, so when you're drawing in your brows, you won't get that really harsh, edgy look. You'll get really soft, feathery strokes every time, which is exactly what you need when you're trying to achieve those really feathery, bushy brows that everyone wants. All right, next I'm gonna grab the mini shadow crayons, and these come in Morimoto Pink Pearl and Kona Coffee. These shadow crayons are crease-free and they last up to 12 hours. I love the formula of these because they leave a really velvety, smooth finish, and these colors are perfect for your beauty collection because you have a little darker one and a little highlighting one. You can put this one on first, this in the crease. You use this honestly as a highlighter in your little brow bone. And to round it all out, we have the eye pencil in Santorini Black Sand. So this mini eye pencil glides on like a liquid, but it gives that pencil precision. This is perfect because it lasts up to 16 hours, so you never have to worry about reapplying or smudging or anything like that. You just pop it on that waterline and you're good to go. The perfect thing about these items are their size. They're perfect for throwing in your bag, in your purse, for getting ready on the go. You guys, if getting ready on the go was an Olympic sport, your girl would get the gold, okay? All right, you guys, so this next customization option is the Afterspa hair towel wrap that I conveniently have in my lap. But first off, can we just talk about how cute this color is? Pink is my aesthetic. I love it so much. This is gonna look so cute in my bathroom, hanging up next to my pink towels. I lied, I don't have pink towels. Another way you can use this item is with a hair mask. So you go ahead, you put your mask in, you put this cute little towel wrap on your head, and it sets everything into place to make sure it doesn't run anywhere. This got you covered. You can machine wash and dry this just like you do with any of your other towels. If you've never used one of these before, it's really, really easy. All you do is throw your wet hair over, put this little button part at the nape of your neck. Your hair is gonna fit in this little pouch on the top. You twist it, you throw it back. There's actually this really convenient elastic band that attaches to the button itself, and it keeps your hair in place. All right, you guys, it's the time you've been waiting for. I'm gonna show you what this looks like on. So here we go. All right, you guys, so the last item in this customization roundup is the Skinvolve Body Boost Gel, which is a pre-workout activating and cooling gel. So the formula is a caffeinated blend of green tea, menthol, and ginseng. Honestly, it smells like really good. But it's also mixed with aloe vera to moisturize and rejuvenate skin. So I always keep this in my gym bag because I like to use it before and after workouts for that extra little boost. That tightening boost. All right, you guys, that rounds up this customization category for select members. Like I said, if you're not select, right here, upgrade today and make sure you choose which one you just gotta have by August 5th. Don't forget, because there are pretty amazing items in this box that you do not wanna miss out on. And make sure you leave me a comment down below telling me which option you're gonna choose for your customization option. I'm definitely going with my Salt Bae moment, but I wanna hear what item you think is the best. And I'll see you next season. Get it? Bye!